So in this lesson, we will learn that how we can add the courses block in LifterLMS. When you will add the courses block, all of your courses will be listed on your specific page. So you can add all your course list on a specific page. So what we have to do, we have to select a page that where we want to add. So you can see I already have. So I will delete this one, and you can just hover over any place. We just need this add block option. Also, we can open this from here, and I want to add my block here. So I will select add after. So here is my block now, and I will click on this plus icon. Then I have to search for courses. Here you can see the courses block. So we have to add this. And now you can see here is all of my courses. And on this right side, we can see we have courses settings. Here we can choose any specific category if you want. If I choose savings, it will display all my savings category courses. And here we have option that we can show the hidden courses as well. We can search on this courses option. We can search only specific courses, and here we can show that if we want to show the enrolled courses only, or the expired course or cancelled course. Here we have order that we can ascend, we can display this as ascending order or descending order. Here we have order by, so we can order by title, name, or any option we want. Here we have that we can select the, you can select the courses part page, and then we have to update. So you can actually do these settings as per your requirements. So if I visit my page again and refresh it, so here it is. So this is how you can do that, and you can do this on any page you want to show your courses.